Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something a little bit different. It's along the same kind of theme as my usual unboxings, but on a little bit of a different price level and kind of fashion trend level as well, I suppose. Now, I originally signed up for Supreme notifications for like when they had like new stock and updates on their website for my teenage son. My son is 15 years old. He's absolutely in love with everything that's Supreme. So if he does well at parents' evenings, or, you know, he gets a load of merits at school, or just, you know, general good behaviour, I will try and go on the Supreme website when I see that there's an update, and I usually buy him something like a t-shirt or like a I've bought him like a key ring as well before, but just little things just to kind of say well done to him, and he absolutely loves it. So I did get an update from them that was a couple of weeks ago now, and I was looking on the website. I didn't find anything that was suitable for him, but I did come across something that I liked, that I thought maybe he could use as well. And it's actually a bag from Supreme, which I didn't think that I would be interested in, but I actually really like the style of this. So I thought I'd show you how it came packaged. It's just in a little plastic bag. Very, very lightweight, as you can see, and not very big. So yeah, it comes in this plastic bag, and I'll just open that. And then inside it comes, nothing else in there, but they actually send all of their packages in a Supreme plastic carrier bag as well, like a shopping bag. So my son's got loads of these now, and he likes keeping them. I think him and his friends, say anything that's got Supreme on, any single item that has Supreme on, they will keep and just stash in their rooms. So like I said, he's got tons of these now. But inside here is so this is how it came. I've got a Supreme sticker. I think we must have about 10 of these knocking around the house now. The bag itself, and this is the random free gift that was included. I don't know if you can read that there. It's a Supreme shower cap. Now, I've seen some of the unboxes on YouTube, and I had seen that some people had received these, but it was mostly American videos that I'd seen, so I wasn't sure if this would come, but I'm sure that my son's going to get a kick out of that. I'll show you that quickly, I suppose. I don't know if anyone would even be interested in this. Oh my god, he's going to pee himself. So it's just a shower cap with the Supreme logo all over it. So fetching. Beautiful. I'll put that to the side for my son Alfie. So how random is that though, a shower cap? Like what? Anyway. So this is the item. This is the Supreme, just called the shoulder bag, but I believe it's for spring summer 2019. I think it's like the line is spring summer 2019, and it is, this says Cordura, durable, versatile, reliable Cordura brand fabric, and this says Cordura, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, fabric makes this product more durable. Stylish durability and lightweight strength, resistant to tears, scuffs and abrasions, designed for living and built to last. So it is, it's made of nylon, and it feels like school bag type material, that kind of texture. Hang on, I'm going to cut this label off because it's in the way. Then it comes with an adjustable shoulder or crossbody strap. It's just got a little toggle there for adjusting the length. And it is kind of a camera bag style. If I do up the zip, then you can see how wide it is. So that is the width of the bag there. So I would say it's about 2 inches, give or take, in width. And I will measure the length and the height of it in just a moment. But it's got one main compartment there, and the inside is just lined in black. It has, in the main compartment, it has another zipped pocket. No. And there's just a label, Supreme, made in China. Focus. Nothing on that side. And then on the front of the bag there is a zipped pocket. There, quite a big zipped pocket on the front there, and that has the Supreme box logo on the front there. That's kind of embroidered. And then on the back there is the Cordura tab there, and then there is another zipped pocket that goes along the length of the bag. So a nice big pocket on the back there as well. And all of the zippers, all of the zippers on the outside of the bag have just a little bit of nylon pull tabs there. And I hope you can see, but the whole bag is, the nylon has the Supreme logo kind of sewn, like there's a pattern of it, all different size Supreme wording all over it, all throughout the bag. And there is this reflective tab on the bottom as well. So I picked up this bag because I'm going on holiday for the first time in years, about 6 years. We're going away in August, and I wanted something that I could take with me to the airport, store all our travel documents in, and also take with me on holiday and not worry about it getting squashed like in suitcases or bashed up or, you know, kicked around, anything like that. But I still wanted something that felt stylish. So when I saw this, I thought this fit the bill perfectly. Now, with Supreme, any of Supreme's items on the website, they seem to sell out ridiculously fast. Like, that's why I have notifications set up for my son, because if you don't jump on it as soon as you get the update, chances are you'll miss out. Now with this, I jumped on it as soon as I saw it. I was like, right, I like that, I'm going to get it. I can always send it back if I don't like it. I know that it will sell out quickly, so I thought. So I'll get it now, see what it's like, and decide if I want to keep it once I've received it. That's what normally happens. Everything sells out. Now with this bag, it came in 4 colours. It came in the black, like an army green, a baby blue and a red. The baby blue and the red are gone. They're sold out. But it's been about 3 weeks since I purchased this bag, and there are still bags available in the black and in the army green. So if this is something that you would be interested in, if you're quick, at least for now, these are still in stock on the website. I'll leave a link to where you can find them in the description box below. But I just think it's a nice bag. It's unisex. Men or women could quite easily wear this and, you know, still be on trend and fashionable. I think my son, who's 15, will enjoy wearing this. Like I said, you can adjust the strap length so you can wear it crossbody or on the shoulders, so it's versatile. And I just think that it's a great bag for every day or travel. I think you could get away with using this for any situation. So I filled the bag up with some of my bits out of my handbag that I'm currently using. And as you can see, the shape is kind of, you've got this main compartment here, and then the pocket on the front kind of protrudes slightly from the bag. The pocket on the back is flat to the back of the bag there. But it's actually quite a good size. I fit everything in there that I fit in my Saint Laurent Lou camera bag. Probably a bit more, to be honest, because it's nylon. It's got quite a lot of give in it as well. So if I show you what I put in here. In the front pocket there, I have got 3 passports. Mine and my children's passports. And they fit perfectly in there, like it was made for it. And then in the main compartment, got all my bits in there. So I've got my phone, which is the iPhone 10, my Louis Vuitton, what's this one, zippy coin purse? Yeah, zippy coin purse. My mini pochette, which is full as well, my round coin purse, my AirPods, I think that was all I put in there, and there was plenty of room in there for more things as well. I think I forgot to say that the lining in this, can you see right there, it's actually upside down, the lining has Supreme kind of like embossed into it, and that is in every single pocket, all over the lining. So that might be something to look out for, because I'm sure there will be fakes of this bag knocking around online or God knows where, and the authentic ones do have the Supreme branding on the lining as well. So it really does fit a good amount of stuff, and I do think that this is the perfect travel bag. It's just the right size. I love the fact that it's got all of the different compartments, and I like that it's something a bit trendy without me having to take my, you know, really expensive bags out that might get damaged or even stolen. I mean, you never can tell when you're going to new places. You don't know what they're like. So I'd much prefer to take something that doesn't cost as much, just for peace of mind. Now this bag costs £74 from the Supreme website, and then it's £5 for delivery with UPS, I think they use. So when they send your items, you do get notifications from UPS of when it's going to be delivered, so it's fully tracked. So I don't mind paying a £5 when it's fully tracked service like that. I'll give you the measurements for this bag as well. So it is about 8.5 inches long, about 6 inches in height, and the main compartment is just over 2 inches, but with the thickness of this front pocket, it is nearly 4. So it is a good sized bag. I'll see if I go to the other side of my bed, I'll see if I can show you what it looks like worn. As I said, it can be a shoulder bag or crossbody, so I'll show you that now. So this is how the bag looks just worn on the shoulder on a slightly shorter setting. This is just the setting it was in when I received it. But it's just got a slide buckle there, so you can move that up or down. And if I show you it on the longest setting, that's the longest setting. So that's it, crossbody. Obviously I'm a larger lady, so if you're tall or slimmer than me, obviously it's going to sit differently on you. But yeah, I think that looks quite nice. So yeah, so there we are. That is my Supreme shoulder bag, which I'm sure I shall be sharing with my son. But I thought I'd just share that with you, as it was something different that, well, I mean, I'd never seen one of these before, so maybe it's something new to you guys as well. But can't forget the shower cap either. Hopefully next time I'll be back with something a little bit more high end, but I have just bought myself a, well, new to me car, so my money's a little bit tight at the moment, but we'll see. So there we are. Right, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.